Hey folks, Tuesday the 11th of October 2022. I was off the desk yesterday, very quiet day, and indeed another quiet day on the data site today. Claimant count in the UK came out this morning, 25,500. That's a big beat on the 4.2 thousand expected and 1.1 thousand on the prior. Um, Pound kind of contained really on that data. But yeah, look, better interesting days to come with US data. Tomorrow, CPIs and core CPIs to come. So what are we looking at there? Let's see, Wednesday, core PPIs Wednesday, half one. FOMC minutes Wednesday evening, not a rate decision. And then Thursday, we'll have German CPIs, US CPIs, initial jobless claims. And then Friday, coming into core retail sales out of the US. Of course, big one there. And retail sales month on month for September, so that's been 0.2%. So, what do we have in these markets? Well, we've got another bout of dollar strength, which should be no surprise to anybody. So we were looking at longs last week in the euro. See, just coming into, let's see, where's Friday? Yeah, we had this sort of area here Friday for the euro. Really nice levels, but essentially couldn't hold there. Just got sold right back down in the session and then new lows. So, I think the euro is putting up a decent fight here, albeit under par at 97 520s right now. So, moving across to US equities, you can see in the SPOOs here, we're really not, I don't think we're going to hold here at all. 3600s on the SPOOs. If we look at the big regression channel that we have here in the S&P that goes all the way back to 2008 over here on your screens, just have a look at that. You can see, I'll just move up here. You can see this regression trend, right? We're not taking specific trades off of these levels per se, but we are kind of generally long short in and around these areas, and we're short. So, looking in closer, the 36, 35's half was a nice area to be short, and we're down below the 3600s this morning. I think we're going to be trading 35, 44 and a half this week pretty easily, and ultimately I think between now and Christmas we're going to be trading down around 3380s, 34s, and actually could even trade 30, well, let's say 3300s right down here, the pre-COVID high. So big time to be looking to through this, scaling into some really nice opportunities and dividend paying stocks, get those dividends cheap. But for now, we are soft below the November 2020 highs here on the 36, 35's half. What does that look like on the 60 minutes here on the SPOOs? Well, you can see 36, 35's half, high of the APAC there. No signs of recovery to test the APAC high so far. We're selling down below VWAP. So it's just a matter of time before we get cheaper here on this market, really, if you ask me. So, the Dow, very interestingly, we're only about 1.5% away from the pre-COVID highs here in the Dow. As you can see, just to the left of screen here, that pre-COVID high coming in, and that's 28,575 right here. So ultimately, I think, on this pattern, I think we actually have to trade about 2800s, let's say 28,200s on the Dow. All right. So, all those people, well, look, listen, every bear has its day and every bull has its day. All right. I'm neither. I'm just here to, catch the creamy middle. And hopefully you guys are too. So look, yeah, we're gonna go 28,789 this week on the Dow, probably today. Looking at oil, essentially, I think oil, we're probably going to be supported on a pullback here to about 87.74s. Nice area there. I think if we can't hold that area, it's going to be a bit of a slip and a trip to the downside. But I'm confident. I'm pretty confident for this market to hold 87.19. 87.19s, which would be just down and around this area, and then look for buyers to lift us back up. The market is weighing the impact of Venezuelan sanctions being lifted by the US to counteract essentially the OPEC 2 mil cut. What else? What else? What else? Not much of a reaction on cable this morning from that big claimant count, but we have shifted to being up here. Buyers on this market. We are very much still below the gap. You can see here those two beautiful shorts here on the bottom of that gap that we had since last Wednesday, actually last Tuesday, and not much support coming in at the 12.58s there. So down we go. There is a target down here of 1.0743s. And look, Nomura are looking for par. And now, where is par for us on cable? Well, from where we trade right now, it's about 9.6%. So they're looking for pretty much a 10% depreciation in cable between now and next month. So what's the catalyst for that going to be? Well, I think it's going to be precursored by something that Liz Truss says. So look at Bund here making new lows on the session as we're talking. And this is going to drag equities down with it. So watch out on gold as well. Can't hold the 1700 handle for now. So yeah. All right. That's it for me for today. We're going to have a lot more interesting stuff to talk about as we come into tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. So I think best days, Wednesday and Thursday this week to trade. All right. I'll see you all in the Discord and have a good session. Cheers.